Hey, what's up, man? It's Gerald again with another science experiment. Let's check it out. Next experiment is called the Rainbow Blendy. I call it Rainbow Towel, whatever you want to call it. But essentially, you need 7 cups or 7 bowls. But you want them to be see-through so you can kind of see the experiment happening. So you want seven cups or bowls that are clear, that are about the same height or similar. I use bowls because it was better for me to find bowls instead of cups. You're gonna need some food coloring, yellow, blue, and red. And then you need paper towels. You need about 6 single sheets. So you don't know how when you rip the paper towels too. So we can save resources, just take 1 single sheet. So you need 6 of these. Now, let's get to the next part. So next, in your 3 dishes, so every other cup, so there's 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3. Those are the 3 that you're gonna fill with your food colorings. So every other cup should basically have be filled like maybe like a little bit of the way with water. Let me do this and not make a mess. Boom. Boom. Okay. So as you can see, 3 of my dishes have water. Let me put a little more water in that one. But yep, just like that, and then we're gonna put food coloring in each one. So I'll show you the next step. Like I said, we have our every other dish is filled with water. There's 3 of them, 3 out of the 7. Now we're gonna take our food coloring, and they'll be put maybe like 2 drops in each one. So this will be our blue. This will be our red. Let's do one more drop just to be safe. You can put them in any order you want, but this is what you should look like. Your colors can be in different orders, but I picked the colors, I put the drops in there. Didn't have to mix it. The food coloring will spread itself out. So now we need to fold our paper towels hot dog style, which means we're gonna fold it I guess it's the long way, so that it can be like this. So not hamburger where it's like that, but more so the long way. So you have to do 6 of those. But anywho, as soon as you make your 6 of them, you're gonna fold them in half, and each end is going to go into the next cup. It's gonna like lead into there. So I'm gonna set it up first and then show you guys a shot of what it looks like the final. Okay, so here's my last one. Fold it in half. Press it. And then we'll just pop that right in there. Just like that. Cool. So as you can see, this is what it's gonna look like. Like you'll have your paper towels going for each one. You got your red right here leaking into your yellow. As you can already see, the yellow's already starting to bleed into it. So it's kind of a cool experiment. When it's all finished and said and done, it should create a cool rainbow pattern throughout the whole thing. So this is what your final setup should look like, or at least somewhere close to it. After you put your paper towels in, this is what they should look like. They'll lead into them. It's okay if they slouch in there a little bit. That's just part of the process. So a finished process look like that. You should have like, kind of like a zigzag. The empty ones, you kind of want to have the paper towels touching. I think that's the emphasis as far as the experiment goes. But if you want to check right now, you can even see it's already starting to bleed. The colors are already starting to bleed a little bit. So you can kind of see what's going to happen. Yellow's already bleeding for sure. Blue is on its way, slow and steady. But I'll give you guys an updated video, let you know what the process looks like in maybe a couple hours from now. Check back on our experiment. Let's see what we're looking like. As you can see, the colors have leaked and started to blend over. So as you can see, the yellow is definitely has taken over this side to the point that you can tell that this is kind of soiled and wet. it can't stand up anymore. So I think that's one thing I noticed about our experiment differently than how I saw it was we're using, because I use bowls. I think having a tall cup can help the paper towel stand up a little bit straighter. So if I were to do this again, I would definitely try to get clear cups. But I just wanted to check in one more time on our, rainbow blendy, rainbow towel, whatever you like to call it. But this is like a almost kind of the finished product of what you expect. You know, the first towel is gonna have red. You know, it's kind of fades and gets stronger. As you can see, the colors definitely fades as it moves on. So it's pretty cool. This red didn't reach this yellow just yet, but it's just about there. You know, so you can kind of see where the colors meet. But as we go on, this is when it gets even better. So we have yellow. Yellow did its thing. But then over here, we have yellow and blue actually mixing. You can kind of see a little bit of the fading. And you can kind of see it's getting a little greenish right there. So it's actually pretty cool. Really cool experiment. You don't need that many objects at all. Go ahead and try it at home. Thanks for watching.